Hello everybody and welcome back. Sorry, I just walked down and got this. I didn't expect it to get here so early in the morning. So I might be a little bit out of breath, but, well, not out of breath, but you know, come back after a walk, breathing a little hard, not a big deal. Well, my order just came in, obviously. Figured I'd do an unboxing video, so let's cut this open. Put that away. Okay. And you just get a glimpse at one of them, but I'll put this down on the floor just to get it out of the way. And kind of revealing my setup a little bit here, but that's fine. Alright. Yeah, that's all the kits I ordered. I actually mentioned in my last review the 24th century weapons that I was going to be doing this video, and in it I was going to show off the kits that I got and also say which kit I was going to be building on Sunday during the build stream. And I will, but I'm going to be saving it until the end so that I can keep you here for the watch time. Anyway, let's start with one of the bigger kits. The high-grade Universal Century Zeta Gundam Gunpla Revive. Oh, wait. Yeah, there's the yellow beam sabers and a lot of really big pieces. And it wasn't crushed in the mail, which is nice, considering how deep some of these go. Look forward to building that. Not this Sunday, though. And onto the pile you go. Alright, next. And I will edit in a shot of all of them at the end, don't worry about that. The Gundam Mark II Revive in the, what's the team name again? Whatever, it's early in the morning, forgive me. Also from Zeta Gundam though, this is also the Revive. They do also sell this in the Titans color, which is basically the white is dark blue, and the shield doesn't have that yellow on it, but I prefer the white, so that's what I went with. So I will be pre-painting these in before I build it. So, look forward to that build stream. Not really sure what order I'm going to build these in. It's a secret. Actually, you know what? You guys tell me what ones you want built first. Well, after the one I am building on Sunday. And I'll build them in that order. Next up, the O Gundam, which I'll be customizing, well, painting anyway. I don't know if I'm going to do a build stream on this, or if I'm just going to build it off stream and do a video on the custom, or maybe I'll finally get around to making a Twitter and just post some pictures of it on that. But, yeah, the thing about this is that it's an older kit, so the V-fin, wherever the hell the V-fin is. Oh, the V-fin's white. And here I was thinking it was a full piece of red plastic. No, they did separate the jewel. Huh. They just couldn't be bothered to mold that in yellow. That's a bit of a kink in my plans, but, maybe I'll just leave the stickers off of it then, aside from the eyes, but I'll just cut that white off. Okay, and oh wow, that Wayfarer theme. Jeez, that is. Ooh. Anyway. Oh wait, that's what's going. Well, it doesn't matter, but I'll put it back on top. There's like one review of this on YouTube, and none of them show off that that's white plastic. So I figured it was just like the old high grades where it was just one piece. So usually they made the gem the sticker and made the V-fin, but I mean if they were going to put stickers on the V-fin, that's what I assumed. They just molded it in red, but whatever. Oh, clothes. Why am I having so much trouble with this box? There. Oh, cut. Now to the bottom you go. And oh boy, that's a heavy one. Big boy. Moon Gundam. Man, this thing is expensive in Canadian. Whew. It's a good thing Canadian Gundam had a 15% off sale, so I saved the tax on it, because I would not have bought this otherwise. But I kind of want to see how big the parts are. Ooh, that's a... Ooh. I'm going to be honest, I was expecting more of like a blue? That is straight up violet purple. That is not blue. Here's a color comparison. This is like straight blue. Look at this. This is purple. No, because the red is a normal red. Huh. So that translucent red looks a lot frostier than I thought it was going to be, which is nice, because I do like how that looks, but unexpected. Here's the other one. Ooh, those are small. And here's the action base. All in one bag, which is nice. I can build that on my own. I'll probably still build it during the stream, but I could build it off stream if I wanted to. I hate how action bases look, I'm going to be honest. I much prefer Tamashii Nation Act 5s. Especially since this is in dark trans black. And I would really prefer if it was just clear, at least. And once I saw the joints, yeah, and the manual. Alright, let's see if I can cram all this back in the box. Yeah, I was, this is at least rubbery plastic. But yeah, I was expecting like a more like, hang on, I'll just use this again. Yeah, I was really expecting much more of like a RX-78 blue rather than this like purple color. I think the oh, what's this called? They're making a P-band eye of it that's reusing this mold with a different head that's more based on the Sazabi. But I think that is just purple. And it might be the same purple. I'm kind of assuming it will be, actually, now that I get a good look at it. Oh, that's interesting. Slightly disappointing. I could always just paint it RX-78 blue, but honestly, I think I'll like how it looks once it's actually put together. Anyway, let's... Wow, that is a thick box, though. That and the Cubile are super tall boxes. Onto the pile. And last but not least, what I promised in my last review. My next kit that I am building this Sunday over on Twitch, go follow me so that you'll get the alert for it, whatever, is the Build Divers Re-Rise Jupadive Gundam, because it's a recent kit and it might actually give me some views. And Ugh. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about that yellow, actually. It's kind of ugly. Like, it is not, it's not quite highlighter yellow, but it's like the yellow of the ARMS Joy-Con, or the yellow in Splatoon. Like that kind of vibrant, slightly highlighter, but not quite. Huh. This is actually quite a nice red. It's not a vibrant red. It's closer to Charizard, honestly, if anything. Like it's not quite that either. It's like a halfway point between the two, but it looks quite nice actually. I like it. I'm slightly annoyed that that's just pegged together, but eh. Yeah, all that white plastic is going to be nice. And you can see that they do share a lot of parts between the armors, because they weren't going to remold this if they were changing up the mold. You have all the parts. Those are the feet. Those are the shield. Are those like short daggers, like beam daggers on the fronts, or are those beam shot effect parts? Are these? I would assume they're daggers. Wow, those shield parts are actually a lot bigger than I thought they were. Like, I guess it's just all the mass of this behind the emitter kind of makes it look smaller, but yeah, no, those are quite big. A couple of the other parts. The second V-fin that goes onto the core Gundam. That little base thing that they have for the armor. What was it? The core? No, it wasn't the core fighter. It's core Gundam. It's Planet Fighter or something like that. And it does come with these little crappy one mold stands. Yeah, I need to buy some more Tamashii Nation Act 5s because, ugh. Aside from the review, I will not be keeping it on this. But anyway, let me get this all back together, and then I'll have a group shot of everything. And here we have all the kits together. And I'll be building one of these every Sunday. Like I said, tell me which ones you want to see first, so I have a better idea of what order to build them in. But that's all for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, helps with the algorithm. And subscribe for future content, including reviews of all of these kits, as well as watch my backlog of my previous reviews. But that's all for now. And as always, happy building!